Very good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you your very first chapter of your English 1. Dr. Dolittle has money troubles. Now, have you ever talked to an animal? Or can you understand animal language? Yes, this Dr. Dolittle, he can understand animal languages. He can communicate with animals. Let's start the chapter. After Dr. Dolittle had treated the horse who was going blind and got him a pair of spectacles, his reputation spread far and near. Soon other farm animals and pets were brought to him. So what happened? Dr. Dolittle have treated the horse, and by communicating with the horse, he knows that the horse has eye problems, and he have given the horse a spectacle. Now spectacles is something that we human beings wear. Horses or any other animals. Have you seen any animals wearing a spectacle? Yes, we laugh seeing that any animals wearing spectacles. But in this chapter, all the horses, all the animals have been personified. Personification or personified is something like giving a human qualities to a thing or to an animal who is not human being. Okay, so it's been personified. Personifications can be done to trees also. Personifications can be done to animals. So the characters here have been personified. As soon as they found that he could talk in their language, they told him where the pain was and how they felt, and of course it was easy for him to cure them. So as the animals tell Dr. Dolittle where the pain was, it was easy for him to cure the animals. Now all these animals went back and told their friends that there was a doctor in their little house with a big garden who really was a doctor. Now here in the second paragraph, here was written as WAS in capital letters. It's been written like this because according to the animals, this Dr. Dolittle was a real doctor. He was a real veterinarian doctor. As because he can speak their languages and he can communicate with animals. And whenever any creature got sick, not only horses and cows and dogs, but all the little things of fields like mice and moles and badgers. Now here, badgers is something like an omnivorous animal. It's a omnivorous mammal, we can say, badgers. Now we are referring this to a garden animal. They came to his house on the edge of the town, so that his big garden was nearly always crowded with animals trying to get in to see him. Now his big house is always crowded, his garden is always crowded with animals because they want to see Dr. Dolittle. They want to get treated by Dr. Dolittle. In a few years' time, every living thing for miles and miles got to know about John Dolittle. Now the name of Dr. Dolittle is John Dolittle. Yes, the very first character, John Dolittle or Dr. Dolittle. So the wonderful doctor of Puddleby on the Mars. Now Puddleby on the Mars is something like area of low-lying land. So Puddleby of Mars is something like it's a place, name of a place where the doctor used to live, who could understand their talk and help them in their troubles. So now the doctor can understand their language and help the animals in their troubles. And he was happy and liked his life very much. Now the doctor began to make money again, and his sister Sarah bought a new dress and was happy. Now this is the second character, Sarah. Sarah is the sister of Dr. John Dolittle. As the doctor have been treating the animals, now he is getting money because he has been treating pet animals, and because of those treatments he used to get money from the village people, or from the people whom those pets belongs. Now some of the animals who came to see him were so sick that they had to stay at the doctor's house for a week. Now Yes, this happens to us also. When we are very sick, we used to stay in the hospital. Now, Dr. Dolittle is the doctor and he doesn't have any hospital, he have only a house. So, what happens? Some of the animals who are very sick, they have to stay for nearly a week or maybe 10 days long. So, they have to stay with the doctor in his own house. And often, even after they got well, they did not want to go away. They liked the doctor and his house so much, and he never had the heart to refuse them when they asked if they could stay with him. So, in this way, he went on getting more and more pets. Now, what happened? The animals got treated and they doesn't want to go out of the doctor's house. And when the animals asked the doctor that if they could stay in the house, he couldn't refuse because he doesn't have the heart to say no to these animals. And now his house is getting more and more pets, or we can say more and more animals. Let's go to the second page. Once when he was sitting on his garden wall, an organ grinder. Now the meaning of organ grinder is given in the back side. So organ grinder is a man who played a mechanical musical instrument but turning a key as a form of street entertainment. Street entertainment means that he have something, a mechanical device where he used to turn the key and he used to play the music, and when the music plays, the monkey used to dance. So once when the doctor was sitting on his garden wall, an organ grinder came around with a monkey on a string. Monkey on a string is nothing else. The monkey has been tied in the neck with a string to his owner. The doctor saw at once that the monkey's collar was too tight and that he was dirty and unhappy. Yes, obviously, anybody who's got have collar and been attached to a chain, then he or that person or that animal will be. I'm saying person because here in the story is been personified. Okay, the animals have been personified as human beings. So that monkey is also unhappy. He was very the collar was very tight and he was very unhappy about the thing. So he gave the man some money and took the monkey away from him. This away from is not written here, so away from him. The monkey stayed with Dr. Dolittle and had a good home. The other animals in the house called him Chi-Chi, which in monkey language means ninja. Now I don't know monkey language. If you know, then you can tell me. This Chi-Chi is the name of the monkey. This is the next character, Chi-Chi. Chi-Chi is a monkey, and he stayed with Dr. Dolittle in his house, as Dr. Dolittle have paid money to the organ grinder to get Chi-Chi. Another time, when the circus came to Puddleby,